Welcome to the Techie Mike YouTube channel. This is the fourth video in the series where we're looking at computer networks using a network simulator. We've looked at packets, pings, routing and modems, and for this video we're going to have a look at IP spoofing and stealing packets. So let's load up the IP spoofing. I'm just going to pause the simulator, have a look at the devices that we've got connected. So we've got Alice, we've got one router, two routers, three routers, Bob's computer and Carol's computer. So the idea of being able to spoof an IP address means that you could send data that appears to come from one computer when in fact it's been sent from a completely different one. If we have a look at the objectives, we're going to make Bob think that he received a packet from Carol. So if we click on the add packet, and we're going to put Carol as the source and Bob as the destination, but it's actually being sent from Alice's computer. I'm going to click add, restart the simulator and send my spoofed packet of data. You can see here. Carol to Bob. And there we have it, on to the next challenge. Now, this next challenge, stealing packets, can be a little bit tricky, being that we've got to get the timing just right in order to pass the objective. Now, the difference in this network, we have Google, we have a hub, central hub, and then we've got Alice's computer, Bob's computer, and Charlie's mobile device. So we need to steal a packet sent to Google, from Google to Charlie. So we click on the add a new packet, and then if we add Charlie and Alice and then we're going to restart and see if I can get the timing right for these data packets. I think we've got to wait for the routing table to get updated with the information from Charlie. There we go. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.